Hey, welcome back. So we're back working on the LS240Z. So today I'm going to start pulling apart the front of the motor, pull the heads, valve covers, and really see what we're working with and see what I need to order. So we'll go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we got the valley cover pulled, oil pressure sensor out. I pulled all the water pump, the front timing cover and all that. Focus a little better. Looks like new oil pump on here, which is cool. New timing chain looks like, cam gear. It does have valve springs retainers, aftermarket, which is sweet. I was told it had the trunnion upgrade done, but as we can see here, those are stock rocker arms and they have not had the upgrade performed on it, so that kind of sucks. But I did have a friend of mine or coworker of mine give me a set of comp cam rocker arms, an old set that he had back in early 2000s that he never used. So it's a 13755 kit and it's all brand new. So we should be able to use these. I think I have to confirm what motor this is for. I know it's for an LS, but I don't know if it's for the 4853 or if it's all the same. I'm not entirely sure. But if that'll work, that'll be awesome. So we can replace the rocker arms and have some comp cam roller rockers on there. So yeah, so far it's what we're looking like. It does have an aftermarket cam, it looks like, in there. So we'll pull that out, see what kind that is. Yeah, we'll keep working on this and keep going. So rocker arms and push rods are out. Looks like all factory push rods and rocker arms here. Interesting, the passenger side, I don't know if they just weren't cleaned when they put back in, but all the passenger side ones look super grimy and the driver's side ones are all clean. Anyway, next we'll pull our spark plugs out and we'll go ahead and pull the cylinder heads and see what we uncover underneath. Got the head off, so it is officially a Gen 3 4.8 liter iron block truck motor. So as you can see, it's got the flat top pistons, so that would indicate a 4.8 liter. And nothing done on the bottom end, it's all stock. Looks kind of grimy, really needs to be cleaned out from its sitting. So since I'm going this far, may see what kind of aftermarket pistons, rods I can throw in this to handle a little bit more power, since I'm already tearing down the whole motor. But yeah, go ahead and get the other head pulled off, kind of look at that side, and then continue tearing it down. Okay, with the heads off, and we'll go ahead and remove the lifter trays next, and the lifters. Alright, so I got the lifters out. They were an absolute pain. They're super rusted in there. But managed to get them all out. They look like garbage. They're all completely rusted up, so that's probably definitely going to be something we're going to get new of. Make sure, check the bores. Hopefully they're not all screwed up. They feel okay, but we'll have to clean it up. Yeah, those are out. So we'll keep moving on. Our next step, we're going to go ahead and pull the oil pan. I don't think we need to pull the rear cover. That looks like all that's been done and brand new. I don't plan on pulling the crank out of this, so we should be all right not having to pull anything there. So we'll go ahead and pull the pan and keep moving. As you can see, she a little rusty. It's been sitting a while. A lot of rust on the crank and rods and everything. I just pulled the oil pump off. It's M295. I looked that up. That's Melling's, just a standard volume, standard pressure, stock replacement pump. It's brand new, so that's cool. We'll go ahead and flip the motor around, pull the timing chain and the cam gear, and go ahead and pull the cam out and see what kind of cam it is. Picking up where I left off last time. I'm going to go ahead and remove the rods and pistons and probably the crank and just completely disassemble this. And then have to really go and start cleaning everything. Alright, so got all the pistons out. Overall, like, the bearings look really good. No abnormalities there, but some of these, like, they're just like the rings are caked in crud and rust. And you just see all the water that's been sitting in this thing. I don't know if it's worth putting the time in trying to clean this block or just going to the junkyard and getting another 4.8 or 5.3 out of a truck. But continue on. I'll probably Go ahead and pull this back cover off. Get the crank out. Check the main bearings, and then it's on to the cleaning phase, which I don't know if I'll make a video on that or not, but yeah, a lot of Scotch-Brite, WD-40, and bottle brushes trying to get this thing adequate. So that's where we're at. Based on this, I'm definitely going to probably throw a set of aftermarket pistons, rods in it, and bearings. Might as well, since I'm down this far. So yeah, continue on. Alright, that's it for the teardown. The motor, got everything out, cranks out, main bearings, everything look good. So now just do a major cleanup on everything, unless I can find another block somewhere. Crank is super rusty. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get a list together of parts I want to upgrade and get those on order and get this cleaned up all back together and in the car. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for more as we keep working on this thing, and hopefully the goal is to have it at least running by the end of the year, but we'll see. Still needs a lot of money, a lot of work. So yeah, appreciate it. Thanks.